Alright guys, so I have a new product here that I've actually never used before, and a customer was requesting it. This is a BenQ projector, in particular the HT3550. We are a BenQ dealer and sell all of their products, the full line of projectors. This is a more entry level one, but I'm interested to, get it put together, put on the wall, and let you guys know what I think. We're gonna unbox it. I'll give you a quick overview of what's included in the box, as well as what the product looks like installed. So we'll go ahead and get this party started. Power cord, your remote. Batteries are included. Yep, as well as the registration guide. It's in a quick start guide and registration paperwork. It is important that you purchase from an authorized reseller. With any audio video equipment, if you do not purchase from an authorized reseller and an issue happens with your projector, you may be out of luck. We are an authorized reseller for BenQ, as well as many other audio video products. And with our receipt, you are fully covered under the manufacturer's warranty. Let's go ahead and pull out the projector and see what this guy looks like. A little guy. Very compact. CinematicColor, DCI-P3, Cinema Master, Video Plus. It's got, looks like, focus, zoom, and shift right here on top.
Ooh, does that cover back up?
And it has a cover on it. That's nice. Very nice. And then you got a lens cover that's on a string. That's good. If you're not going to be using it, you can cover it up. Is this? No, that doesn't move. Maybe it's motorized. Possibly. We'll have to see here in a minute. Let's take a look at the back.
Shift the... Royalty-free music.
Okay guys, so here in the back we got a 12-volt trigger and an RS-232 port, service, media reader, USB 3.0, and then we got 2 HDMI ports, and it actually is DHCP 2.2, and it looks like there's a second USB there. You got a optical as well as a analog audio out. Pretty much everything you need. And then there's your power plug right there. I'm gonna flip it over, we'll show them the
underbelly.
Yeah, and here's the underside of the unit. Center of gravity.
Nice.
But you got bolting position there, there, and there. It's kind of like the Sony projectors. I'm surprised it's so big though for how small the projector is. Alright guys, well that concludes the unboxing of the BenQ HT3550 HDR 4K projector. I am happy to offer this product to you, as well as the full BenQ lineup. If you would like to purchase this item, we do have nationwide free shipping and a low price guarantee. If you like this video, make sure to give us a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.